Hello YouTube. Well, it's another unboxing again today. I'm gonna be unboxing something here you guys haven't talked about on the channel at all, but this is the unboxing of something special, and you guys probably really happy with me, or you're gonna happy with this uh box, these two boxes here. Stay tuned, you'll see what is in there. All right, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Open up this box. There we go. Let's see what is in there. Special boxes that came from overseas. So I'm gonna be doing a review on these whatever is inside this box. Okay, stay tuned with me. Make sure you follow me onto this journey and all the way to the end and see how whatever is in there. Bear with me, and I need all you guys support, and I want you guys to cooperate with me and give a thumbs up, like, and share. This is gonna be something really shocking for a lot of people and really surprising. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I opened the box so you guys can see a big surprise for MPP Solar. MPP Solar sent me this. And take a look. What do you guys see? Tell me what you see here. Tell me, folks. And this is the PIP2424. This baby can take a 2000 watts of solar array, and you guys can see it's a hybrid system. Okay, you can charge your batteries from this, and you can use it for inverter. It has a charge controller, MPPT charge controller, which I'm going to be giving you the specs here pretty soon. Stay tuned. Let's open the other box and see what is in there. The surprises are getting really crazy here. Stay tuned. Well, as you guys can see closely, it's another one. So it's identical, specifications and everything. And folks, this is a twin PIP. So these are all I'm gonna be using for parallel connection. So I can parallel this PIP because they're all the same model, the same version. As you guys can see here, that's the version right there, the LV 3 kVA 24 volt inverter charger. Okay, these are all the connection for the parallel thing, and you can able to use it for a computer connection and all the good stuff. Let's take a look here closely. And here there's another connections here with the software, everything. Some wires here. It shows you how to do your thing. So let's go to the main business here and see how big is this baby. Look at that. Look at that. This is awesome. Well, we're hoping for the best, so we can able to utilize this stuff and get it running perfectly with no issues, no problem. And guys, stay with my channel because I'm gonna be giving you guys the latest, on technology, other stuff, and whatever equipments we can able to get for the channel, folks. And you guys can be part of this because I'm doing this all for you guys. You guys want to go to the PIP, a lot of questions, and this has been making noises lately about the PIP and PIP. Well, it has been out there for quite a while, which other YouTubers already had. Which other YouTubers already have. But you folks know that however things go, crazy or hard, I always want to be there for you guys, bringing you so that our channel here can be on top of things. Okay, this is what I've done for you guys, no doubt. It's a 2017 model right there. You can see it, 2017. So the latest one. Here are the specs for you guys. So it's an inverter charger, operating temperature range of 0 to 55 degrees Celsius, and inverter mode rated power is 3000 volt amp VA, whatever, and it's a 2400 watt. So DC input is a 24 volt DC to 112 amps. The output is 120. So this is the US version. So folks, the ones that are looking for the US version, this is what you have to look for. And this one came from MPP Solar, all the way from Taiwan. All right. So I've seen other guys that has the PIP, which they have to use a transformer on those so that they can able to step down from most of the other ones are international, which is a 230 volt AC, but this is for America. It's made for the US. So if you're watching, so I want you to have a quick glance into the thing. That's why I'm now moving the camera, trying to keep everything steady for you guys. And the AC input. So if you want this one for charging system, you bring in from your breaker box. So it's charging the AC input is 120 volts, 50/60 hertz, 40 amps, and DC output is 27 volt DC. So this is a 24 volt system, so you can get you up to about that 24 volt system. So this device is not going to be going for any flooded acid battery. It's going to go for AGM battery, because by looking at the voltage here, is 27 volt DC. Folks, if I'm wrong, you correct me, but it's like I don't think you can able to equalize your batteries at that 27. You have to go all the way to 30, 31 or whatever. But the max amps on this is a 60 amps default, and 60 amps, and default is 30 amps. The output is 120 volt AC, 50 to 60 hertz. So at 60 at 40 amps. So this thing is rated for 80 amps though. So the 80 amps supposed to be the for the inverter. I suppose it's for the inverter. So folks, so we're gonna tie these 80 amps and 80 amps. That should make it to 160 amps, because if you parallel those, all right. So 30 is a 60 amps. Yeah. All right. Well, we have to put it to work, folks. I haven't read the manual, but I'm trying to give you all the specs here or whatever. But it's an 80 amp rated current for this one, 24 volt. Okay, minimum solar voltage supposed to be a 20 volt DC for this thing to operate. And this thing is running at a max solar voltage of 145. Remember, the Outback or the Classic can go up to about 150. Okay, 150 volts. And the standard operation for this thing, which you can go 150 because the device is not gonna, that's the limit. Can't go more than that. So it operates within the 145 volt DC. So this is the only difference between the Outback and the Classic, because the Classic has 150 volt and the Outback and Midnight 150 volt DC input, and this is just 145. Okay, But this one is an inverter charger, on and off button here to power the thing. Let's flip this baby around or upside down. Oh boy. Boy, this is not too heavy. It's just a 24 kilograms. Okay? For European people understand that, and you can do the calculation yourself and you can figure it out. So this is the PIP, folks. This is the PIP that was, it's making noises. Everybody will think that I can go with the PIP and this, that, well, whatever. So now it's right here with me. And folks, I want to share with you, it has a cooling fans here. It has a positive and negative cable right here to the batteries. You have here is your PV. Okay. Here is your PV. Okay. Your PV input right here. So you have a USB port right here. R232 for the communication port. Okay. Which is you can see the wires right here. Okay. It's just like a RJ45 right here. That goes in there and communicates with your serial port on your computer. Just a RGB, just look like an RGB connection. You can see the connection there with the USB. So right here we come to the ground. This is where you ground it. It's an input breaker for 120 volts AC. Here you guys can see is the AC in. All right. You connect it to your AC. Since this is 120 volts, the AC input, and here is the output. All right. These outputs can go to your loads and whatever you're trying to power at your house. All right. So it's kind of simple. So yeah, probably some connections, communication, whatever stuff around here. I don't even open yet. So I didn't have my screwdriver or Phillips with me to do that. But I just want to give you, this is going to be a series for this thing that you guys can see exactly. I'll probably open it. I don't know if it has a warranty. If you open it, it's going to void the warranty. But whatever it is, it's already here. And whatever it is, I'm not going to able to send it back. Unless if something happened, they say, oh, you send it back, you pay shipping. Eventually, that's how it's going to work. But I don't think you can just have a free shipping with this kind of heavy 24 kilograms. It's kind of pretty heavyweight. Here you look at the fans here. They said made in China, right there. I hope you can see that. It's a made in China. It's right in there. See that? CHINA. So I hope these fans are really good, because they're gonna be working so hard. And the only thing, the reverse thing, I don't know why they have the fans on the bottom, because most of other companies, the fans is supposed to, what I've heard and other people saying, these fans are blowing down towards the wires. So if you have a battery bank, it's going down instead of dissipating the heat at the top, because heat rises. So I don't know the technology here. I'm just this is my first time with it, and here is the year 2017, 4th month is manufactured. So these are the latest ones from MPP Solar. Look at this. Don't you just like it? Looks really simple, nice. You know, I don't mind Taiwanese stuff. You know, it's really cool. So this is the PIP, folks. This is the PIP. Been talking about this. People have been talking about this. They want to go PIP, and here is the PIP right here with JW Solar USA. Right here, two of them for that matter, two. So we can able to do our test. I can get all my fans all excited, and we can go about this and talk about this PIP, discuss about it, and do whatever we want to do with this PIP with you guys. Some doesn't look like it has a heat sink, but if you guys can see, there's a huge choke. That's how you call it. Two of them, I can see them from here. A lot of big coils in there. Let me zoom that and you guys can see maybe a little bit inside. Pretty interesting. See that? Clean, and it smells fresh though. Yeah, that's what you want. That's how you want your stuff. So let's set this one aside and see how the other one looks like if nothing is damaged with a package coming from abroad. I'll show you guys here pretty quick. Bear with me. Probably it's not gonna be whatever people think, but you know, this is why I have to share with you guys, because you guys are family, you guys are part of my channel and always gonna be part of my channel. So if I have anything exciting, I have to show you guys. You know, the system I have, I'm happy with it. So don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean I'm not happy with my system. I'm happy with it, but it's nice. That's the software right there. I just want to explore. I just want to experiment things. And if it's not for you guys, I'm not going to do this. It's just because for you guys. Because I don't want you guys to feel left out. Some of you guys that don't even have this stuff. And some people want to get it. But it's kind of expensive for other people. And for other people, it's cheaper. You know, it's not a big deal. But folks, look what I found here. Another cables here to parallel this stuff. You know, see that? Just like a VGA cable. And here is the board right here. I think I have to open this so you guys can see it. This is the parallel board. Where's my knife? Gracious. Yeah, there you go. I want to show my people. I want to show them. Because, you know, if I'm excited, all of us have to be excited. Here's the board right here, folks. I don't have to wait. I don't have to do. I have to show you guys. See, that's the parallel board. You got to open the machine and stick it in there. And I want to give a shout out to just in case. He's the first guy I've seen this device from, and years and years. It took up, I think, a couple years. You know, I was watching his channel, and he's the first guy I've ever seen with the PIP. And I just want to give you a shout out, just in case, for inspiring a lot of us, like checking out some of this stuff, because it doesn't mean we can't even we should have heard about this, but probably without your channel showing us this stuff, well, we should have get in contact with it. And finally, we have the opportunity to have the American version, because a lot of people, a shout out to Reverend John Otoli, because he has been talking about some of this. He want to get the PIP and all that kind of good stuff, and you know, and he just worry about the voltage, if he can have the American version. So John, we have the American version right here. I don't know if you you already happen to have one of them, but it's a good thing for you to check out and see, instead of using a transformer, for you guys who have been using transformer. And I want to give a shout out to Charles McQueen. You know, nice channel too, because he had this when the other guys already have that, just in case. And Jeremy, shout out to you, because You know, you guys work on this one and inspire a lot of people for the PIP. And now JW Solar USA has already got his. Is JW Solar USA is gonna keep his PIP? I don't know. You guys have to tell me about it, but I'm trying to figure out this stuff, which is gonna be really cool to see JW Solar USA running 24 volts, which I'm now on 48 volts. For folks, these are the so we get two of them here, just for you to see. It's two of them. These are all the parallel boards, you know, to do your parallel connection. So Charles McQueen, if that's how you pronounce it. So I have the this is the 120 volt DC AC, sorry, 120 volt AC. This is for the American thing. I don't have to use a transformer anymore, and I don't have to I'm gonna charge on the 110 120. So these are the boards, and folks, I'm so excited about this. I'm liking this thing already. I haven't tried it yet, but you know, I think it's kind of cool. I have to be excited because I paid for it. And if MPP Solar sent this stuff to me with no scratch and all headaches and all good stuff, I really have to be happy. But we'll figure it out how to install. It's all identical. If you look at it, we'll figure it out. Yeah, folks, we'll figure it out. Because never used these machines before. So it's going to be something new that JW Solar USA is going to be experimenting into the big time. The talk of the web now about the PIP thing, the PIP. So now the PIP, look at them. Two of them for parallel. I've seen other people with just one. I've seen other people with 3. I've seen a lot of people with 4 or whatever. But so far so good. We are happy with the 2 that we have here in the JW Solar USA. So this is just experiment we performing here. Believe it or not, these are gonna be, maybe if I have room, I'm gonna be mounting this on the command center. The command center, we're gonna experience something new, a new life to Taiwanese design technology. And we're gonna check it out and see. But you know what, folks? JW Solar USA don't have enough room for this PIP to be mounted on the command center. By the way, I can do my best. I can do whatever I can do to bring this live joy, happiness back to the thing. So both of these, if you parallel them, it's gonna give you a good amount of power, which is a 4800. Okay, it's gonna be a 4800 watt, and I can put a 4 kilowatt of power here because each one of these runs 2 kilowatts, which is a 2000 watt. Pardon me if you don't even you are just joining or you're just getting to solar. So these are the terms that we normally use. You know, electricity, you know, it's measured in kilowatt hours. So that's it here. It's not measured in amps, it's measured in kilowatt hours. So every cent whatever your electric company charge you, you have to run it for 1000 watts, which is a kilowatt, as it's called in the electrical terms, and that's how you end up being charged. But anyway, this is the PIP right here, folks. This is the PIP. Finally, we got the PIP right here on the command center. So we're just gonna be just like everyone else. You know, it's not kind of special. I'm not even like being cocky about it, no. But I just want to show you guys, because I want you guys to be part of this. I want you guys to understand that whatever we set our minds, we put a mind into, we will get it, no matter what. So it's not a big deal. Don't feel disappointed. Don't feel frustrated, because you know what? If I can do it, you can do it. So it's not like I'm special more than anyone else. We are all special in the sight of God. So I wish everybody can able to have the opportunity, things that they want, they can able to get them. You know, I understand that. But look at these buttons here. I don't have to forget about this. Look at the buttons. Click, 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 click. Hello, Pip. Hello, Pip. So look at the screen. And please, guys, stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing some unboxing again. You guys can able to see exactly what JW Solar is up to. I've been up to a lot of projects because I want to bring all the best for my guests. All my viewers and subscribers, and not even subscribers. I cater for them because I care about you guys. And that's why I'm doing this. This is like a hobby for us, folks. When you get into solar, you're always going to be solar now, because you're part of the family. So these boards are really awesome. I got to sit down and read about this thing. I got to sit down and mess around with it. I know you guys going to contact me, ask me all questions, how this thing works and all this thing. Hey, I don't know. I'm just learning, just like you guys, okay? It looks like a nice build right here. You know, I always have a good respect and thing for Taiwan stuff, though. You know, they make some kind of decent stuff, just like any other country that makes a nice technology. You know, they can buy it, and as long as it works, doesn't give the customer any problem, folks, you are good to go. That's what they call business and customer service. Is as long as you are able to please your customers and show them that if something happened, they have any problem, you can able to fix the problem. You know, you guys can able to work it out and make sure the customer is happy, and make sure your seller, your dealer, whatever, being happy, and everybody's gonna be happy. So folks, this is the version. This is the PIP. I'll give you again the specs one more time. Take a look at it carefully and make sure you understand it. We are learning. It's a learning process, transition. Right here, some people think, you know, these things are expensive though. Anything about solar is not cheap. When you get into the family, you're no more cheap. Nobody consider you like you're a cheap guy. No. They said it's expensive. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys here. At least we are doing the right thing here. We're going green. I salute everybody on my channel. I love you guys, and thank you so much for following me or being with me on this journey. And I'm doing all these things for you guys. I don't want you guys to feel like you're left behind, because you guys are with me, and I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for be with me from the day one I start, and I'm happy with you guys, and I'm here to please you guys. I'm here to give you guys the best I can offer you guys. So at least you stick around with my channel, and I'm gonna give you all the best what I can able to afford and able to make it possible for you guys. Here's the on and off. Click, 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 click. Yeah, it's kind of soft. Soft and nice. Woo. Boy, I don't want to put any scratch into this thing yet. Yeah. just arrived way, way, way miles away. All right, folks, love you. Bye-bye, and God bless. Take care. Subscribe, like, and share. Thumbs up. And stay with this channel to have all the latest, how we're going to be installing this and all the projects I'm doing. Follow me along and make sure that you leave a positive, you leave a comment, your thoughts, advice, wishes, and all the good stuff. Live here from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Bye for now.